Is anybody out there? Can you lead me to the light? Is anybody out there? Tell me it'll all be alright.
DJ Pain 1.
Being sky high with no rocket shoes. Just lift your loads up, don't criticize your moves. Sometimes we only see beauty and know what's inside, and we act too foolish when lay our minds on pride. Culture not neopoetic but women on the side. It's not how I'm using to make a young one cry. Prophets are titanic, that's why I bring the heat. Peace that flows, aquatics, manings and clarity. I'm beating bling, but my shine is near faded. We step to freedom, fist up to clear hated like pros who teach you patience. Wanna scream, mama, I made it. You wanna be overrated on the shit that you expect, nigga. Are you better? Are you stronger? Are you thinking straight, nigga? Are you feeling great since you lost your way? If your hands are the problem, I can help some way. Help some way.
I know it hurts, it's hard to breathe sometimes. These nights are long, you've lost the will to fight. Is anybody out there? Can you lead me to the light? Is anybody out there? Tell me it'll all be alright.
Sometimes I wonder, there's anyone that could ever hear me. Sometimes I ask myself, there's anyone that knows my feeling. Because a lot of people end up making wrong decisions. Make sure you do consult someone and then make a decision. The young and talented taking their lives, that's depression. Grow up, grow tall, grow old, get wise, say it out, open up your mouth, don't box it in you. This is the real world, survival of the fittest. A lot of different people, bitter and the sweetest. What a cruel world, elimination of the weakest. They say blood is thicker than water, I say they wrong. You can't believe we get abused by folks we claim to love. I'm the voice of the children, I'm the voice of the disarmed, I'm the voice of the women, defenseless and little ones. The country's government and law, could you please intervene? This whole abuse thing is causing a destruction of dreams. I'm the voice cause I know it's dehumanizing. Women and children abuse has never been amazing.
Breathe sometimes. These nights are long, you've lost the will to fight. Is anybody out there? Can you lead me to the light?